This gorgeous Georgetown 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom colonial is located on a secluded tree-lined lot. It has a brick paver walkway leading to a welcoming front porch and entry. Its large, light-filled formal living room opens to the formal dining room, with wainscoting and windows overlooking the wooded backyard. The office on the first floor has a wooden tray ceiling. The open kitchen leads to the sunken family room, featuring a gas fireplace with bricks around, and a sliding door to the back patio and deck. This home features a spacious master upstairs with adjoining bathroom and has a large walk-in closet. It is one of 4 large bedrooms upstairs. Escape to the fully fenced-in backyard paradise that is heavily wooded, has fruit trees, a cement paver patio, large deck, vegetable gardens, and fire pit. The fully finished basement has lots of storage and laundry. This home is close to schools, highways, shopping, and just down the street from Georgetown Country Club and across the street from Clinton Park. you for viewing this tour. If you have any questions regarding this property or any other, please contact the agent.